What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So the clips you're about to see are of a patient that came in about a week ago, and I pretty much diagnosed him with a disc-like injury. And now when I initially told him this, like most patients, they kind of freak out when I tell them they're dealing with a disc injury. And it's not meant to freak people out. I literally I used to deal with disc injuries like 5 to 10 people a day. It's pretty common. A lot of people have disc issues, they just don't show the symptoms for them. Like for me, for example, my low back, I have a L5 disc issue, but it doesn't usually bug me. Sometimes it'll flare up. And for him, for example, he woke up one night in really, really bad pain, like just tightness, muscle spasms everywhere, and just all the symptoms he was presenting me with were like red flags for a disc-like injury. It's just pretty obvious by the symptoms people are presenting, and it's crazy his change in mood from the first time I saw him to this day. He was just, I could just tell, like I've never seen him like that. He was in a lot of pain, and it's very painful. Your body like pretty much goes into freak out mode because it's trying to protect the area. So usually how I treat someone with that, like with those type of symptoms, is we did some cupping, some Graston, a little bit of muscle work, not a whole lot because you don't want to piss off the area. And he was questioning whether or not we should adjust it, and I said absolutely yes, because I've done it a million times. And what I usually do is I won't adjust that particular area, I'll adjust above or below it. So for him it was like C6, C7, so I adjusted a little bit below it and above it, and it went very smoothly, and he's doing much better. So I think the protocol going forward for him would be more therapeutic exercises to get strengthen up the neck so that doesn't really occur again. So enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are not already. I'm Dr. Leanna, owner of Chirofit, and enjoy. Mostly when people have to do this kind of waddle thing, I call it, it's because they can't flex with their hip due to whatever that is, misalignment, muscle imbalance.
So it's overly tight here, which is causing me to walk around.
Yeah,
walk around it.
Whenever there's some type of blockage, your body has to compensate some way to move it.
So is there things that I can do to?
Okay, take a breath in now. Do a breath in out there too. Actually, look up to the ceiling for me.
What?
Look up to the ceiling. Yep. Good. Okay.
Trying to paralyze him?
Yep. So try to kind of get the diaphragm out of the way.
Well, that's cool. Tell you what, it's not in the air, it's sensitive.
No.
The internal part of that one feels tighter.
Yep,
like that part
you're right.
Tighter.
Oh.
Much better.
Not bad.
Much better.
Actually, it's not bad.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Jesus. You haven't got that one ever. I don't know if you ever got that one on me.
Really?
Oh.
Wow.
No. This is a good day.
Wow, that was easy. Even though we already had a diet. It's okay.
Oh, wow. I've never felt that one on my hip, I always feel it on my knee.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I felt that on my hip for the first time.
Hold it strong here, don't let it push down.
Don't like you push, which way?
Don't let me push.
Yeah, good luck.
Okay. I'm not gonna overpower you, but...
No, I mean there's not much strength there.
Yeah. It's not bad. Let me see this one. It's strong too. That one's so much stronger though.
Okay.
Really?
I don't know, it's tight here and it's for sure super tight here. Right below that for sure is super tight.
So it might be even more quad insertion.
That's what, okay, that makes sense. That's what Ken said.
That's
my quad insertion.
Yeah. that feels a lot better though. I mean, it's still like right here's your mouth.
Is it?
Sure.
Yeah. Is it swelled? Does it feel like swelled?
No, I was gonna say compared to the last time, it's not as like pissed off and swollen, but there's a little bit going on today. But
hard, but we never acting up. Live it up, hold on to your dream, don't ever give it up. Finally have my share of success and shit, I can't get enough. Now they know.